This is the screencast recording for the bonus section of the homework 4 of DevOps. Uh, in the bonus section, we wanted to create a container for a legacy application, and we need to access a file that the legacy app creates inside the container. To do this, I've used a couple of Docker files and Docker Compose. Uh, so here is the Docker file for the legacy container, where it will touch a file called bonus, and it will just add some particular text inside that file. uh, we'll be using socat and TCP4 on port 9001 to expose the contents of the bonus.txt file. uh, this is the Docker file for the linked Docker container, which will try to access the contents of which will try to get the contents of the Docker file, the legacy file. Thus, here inside that I'm kind of installing curl, and it will call the legacy container on the 9001 port. uh, I have used Docker Compose to link the link container with the legacy container. So here it will start the legacy container, and it will expose port 9001, while the link container will have a dependency on the legacy container. Uh, Now let's try to run this. And so we are building the Docker Compose file, and I will try to up this Docker Compose. So here it's creating the legacy Docker container. It has created the link container, which will read the file, which will read the contents of the file that were created inside the legacy Docker container. As you can see, the same has been printed over here. Thus, we have successfully demonstrated the access, demonstrated that access to the file which a legacy app creates. Thank you all for watching this.